I love watching Steven's phones. Okay, Eric, time to take your cough syrup. But Dad, I don't want to take my cough syrup. Yes, Eric, you have to. No, Dad, I don't want to. Come on, Eric, take your cough syrup now. I said I don't want to. Eric, if you don't take your cough syrup, then you're not going to get any candy. No, take your cough syrup now. I don't want to. Now. No, now. No. Eric, if you do not take your cough syrup, then you're going to make me spill it. Take your cough syrup right now. I don't want to. Come on, now. No. If you take this cough syrup, I will get you a lollipop. That is a great idea. Take this cough syrup right now. Fine. Good job, Eric. Thanks, Dad.